If you like property tours, you're going to want to stick around for this one today. We've got a doozy for you. This almost half-acre property on 5,000 square feet with its own RV garage right here in the southwest of Las Vegas. Stick around and let's do it. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Bryan Knisley. I'm your local Las Vegas real estate broker. And today we've got this massive two-story, almost 5,000 square feet on half an acre right here in the southwest of Las Vegas, just outside of Mountain's Edge. So stick around, we're going to show you this one. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, because this channel was designed for everything Las Vegas, whether it's properties like this one you see behind me or anything else that you want to see here in Vegas. Please reach out. Information's below, and let's get into this tour right now. Welcome to this magnificent two-story gym located in Las Vegas, Nevada. Priced at $1,695,000, this property was built in 2021. The spacious home has 4,832 square feet of living space with 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms to accommodate your family's every need. Situated on a generous half-acre lot, this property is a paradise for those seeking space and tranquility. The home features not only an oversized attached RV garage, but also a 3-car garage, making it perfect for car enthusiasts or anyone needing plenty of storage. For those with green thumbs, there are 2 custom-built greenhouses ideal for cultivating your favorite plants and flowers all year round. Conveniently located just off the I-215 freeway in Rainbow, you'll find yourself within minutes of the Las Vegas Strip and the Las Vegas Airport, ensuring easy access to all the entertainment amenities this vibrant city has to offer. Okay guys, as we walk up to this one, I want you to notice that we're on a small little cul-de-sac with a bunch of 2- and 3-story homes, all with RV garages right here in the southwest of Vegas, just outside of the master plan of Mountain's Edge. So as we walk up, brick paver driveway, just a massive driveway. You've got your own RV garage that's attached to the house. Over here, you've got pedestrian gate that goes to the backyard. On the other side of the house over there, you've got another RV gate that leads to the backyard with tons of RV parking. So if you've got toys and RVs, this is definitely the place for you. Well, let's go on and take a look inside. Got security gate that opens to the front door. As we walk in, again, we want to be respectful of the home, and let's take our shoes off. So come on in. As we walk in, we've got the wood plank tile flooring throughout the bottom level here, which goes throughout. So come on in, we've got seated living area, living space over here, electric fireplace. This seems to be the fireplace of choice for everybody these days. All the new homes are putting in these, expansive electric fireplaces. Right here, we've got the formal dining room. We've got some coffered ceilings up above, and all of this fire suppression system throughout the house in here. So if you see these little caps on the ceiling, that's what those are. So head this way. We'll go right into the kitchen. Massive kitchen. I mean, look at this kitchen island. It is absolutely huge. We've got really high-end appliances here. I mean, this built-in cooktop is just massive. It's got double ovens. This is a monogram appliances here. Got the GE fridge built in, and then we've got this side, we've got this big stainless steel sinks overlooking the backyard here, and we'll go see that backyard in just a bit, but just a massive kitchen. Love it. And over here we've got some living space. Again, you can put your TV on the wall here. We've got some contrast, we've got some, I forget what they call these, but we've got some contrast on the ceiling there. We've got a nice bar area here, and we'll see that as we go around the backside. All right, you guys, with almost 5,000 square feet, there's a lot to unpack in here, so let's go this way. This is the bar area that's overlooking the living space. We've got a sink and a refrigerator in here, and then lots of storage off to the side. Can be almost like a second pantry. Got a half bath down here, and as we walk down, we've got the laundry room here. We've got a utility sink in the laundry room with tons of cabinet storage out here. This is the 3-car garage that's next to that RV garage. But again, epoxy seal coated flooring. We've got tons of cabinet space in here, and then water treatment system there. Let's head in. Now with 5 bedrooms and 5 baths in this house, we've got a primary, like 2 primary bedrooms in this house, and this one is the one that's downstairs. So 1 primary bedroom downstairs and also 1 upstairs, which is great. So we've got the big bedroom here, slider leading off to the back, and then we've got a primary bathroom down here. Let's go check it out. So as you walk in, big massive walk-in shower there. You've got the dual sinks, big closet off to the side. So again, if you got somebody that doesn't want to treacher the stairs up and down, you've got a primary downstairs. All right, you ready to head upstairs? Let's go. So I like the upgraded stair railing that they have here. As you walk in, we've got this massive loft over here off to the side. Upstairs is all gonna be the laminate wood flooring throughout. And then another cool feature over here, again, I like these windows here. Kind of a really cool look from the inside and from the outside. It gives it that curb appeal from the outside. We've got a balcony, leads off of the, overlooking the front yard, the driveway as you come in. But nice big balcony out here off of the loft. Let's head on this way. Coming to this side of the house, we're gonna have the other 4 bedrooms upstairs, including the 2nd primary. Got some storage space there as we walk in. Full bathroom off to the side here, big walk-in shower. This is your 2nd primary suite in this house upstairs. So as we walk in, gonna look, got the big walk-in shower up here, soaking tub in the corner, overlooking the mountains and the neighbors, like always. So as you walk in too, you got the primary closet upstairs. Walk in, all the built-ins, plenty of space for all your goodies. Let's go check out the other 3 bedrooms. And look at that view of the backyard from here. And the mountains. Huge, huge yard. In the hallway here, we've got more storage space for the closet here. Bedrooms 1, 2, and 3 here with the bath that comes off, so go on and check out each of these bedrooms. Now each are gonna have their own bath as well. Oh, except for this one. Just kidding. It's more of an office space here. So that's it for the upstairs. Let's go on and check out the backyard. Come on. Okay, sitting on a 1/2 acre here. Let's go check out the back, come on. So as we walk out, I want you to notice all of the concrete here. We've got a massive concrete patio, so you definitely could build a structure out here for a little bit of shade. on this concrete patio. But this is the second RV parking that I wanted to show you over here on the side of the house. So you got big RV gates that go off to the side there, plenty of space there as you walk in. And then got another concrete pad back there that's plumbed for maybe an outdoor kitchen. There's water and electric that are going back to both of these two massive greenhouses in the backyard here. So just think about what you could do with those and what you could grow back here. This side of the house, this is the slider to the secondary primary bedroom downstairs. And then we've got the RV garage right here. Love the glass panel door for the backyard. As you walk in, I mean, look at this. I believe this is 22 feet, but I'd have to check. So you could fit a massive RV in this space right here. Got windows letting in light. Again, all the new homes are going with the tankless water heaters. So you got that for the house. So let's go check out these greenhouses. Pretty cool. Oh, actually on this side of the house, I want to show you this first. This is the pedestrian gate that leads on the outside of the RV garage to the backyard. So you have access to the backyard. And then walk back here. Let's check out these greenhouses. You do have an outdoor spa here that is conveyed with the property. And again, we've got water and electric all back here. So these greenhouses, year round, you can grow fruits, vegetables, whatever it is you want to grow. But look at this, these big tough sheds that they built here, again, built in, there's electric, so these, all lighting is built in, and the water back here, but tons and tons of greenhouse space. So two tough sheds here, one on this side and one on this side, and then the greenhouse is built off of the front of that. And then back here, we've got a little bit of tiered landscaping going up, and then tons of concrete back here as well. Pretty cool, never seen this in the backyard before. So thanks for coming on the tour with us in this almost 5,000 square feet and half an acre right here in the Southwest, you guys. Again, this channel was everything Las Vegas, whether it's unique properties like this with a greenhouse in its own backyard or anything Las Vegas, please reach out. We love helping people find their dream home here in the Las Vegas Valley, and we'd love for you to be the next one. Again, we go through these tours pretty quickly because I don't want to bore you guys with long videos. So if there's ever a property that you see or anything that you like, please reach out. We can set up a private tour of these properties. Again, please like, share, subscribe, make some comments down below. What do you think of this greenhouse in the backyard? Would you like this in your backyard? Would you not? Just let me know, please. Again, thanks for watching. We'll keep making these as long as you guys keep watching them, and we'll see you on the next one. What are you doing? I'm working. All right. That's a little close. Let's take my shiny forehead and go on upstairs. Come on.
Bro, no way you're not going to say that.